Guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning 2017 Kawasaki ZX10-RR. Well, what a bobby dazzle this one is. It's only done 5,951 miles, and being the RR, you get a massive spec on these, basically as close to a world superbike back in the day as you could get. So you get the big piston balanced Showa suspension, you get the lightweight Marchesini wheels, you get the Brembo master cylinder as well, so you've got all that power. So you've got a claimed 207 brake horsepower, but obviously you've got fantastic stopping power as well. You get a quick shifter, and on the RR you do get the auto blipper as well. You get 3 different power modes: adjustable traction control, ABS. Obviously you get your different power modes, launch control, all in steering dampener. You get them fantastic suspension, and you do get it in this winter test livery as well, so it looks fantastic. This one's been fitted with the seat cowl, it's got the tail tider, and it's got a Racefit exhaust. You do get titanium headers as standard, so basically you've got a full titanium system there. It sounds wicked. If you rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it. And if you do want to get it bought, sports bikes are selling quick at the moment, so get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.